Celebrate the season with Benartex's holiday collections, each one designed to inspire joy and creativity. First, All Hallows Eve by Jim Shore brings classic folk art style to Halloween with timeless charm. Happy Haunting by Canvas adds playful fun with glow-in-the-dark prints that light up every spooky project. Step into Enchanted Forest by Andy Metz, where woodland friends and cozy designs capture the beauty of autumn. With Give Thanks by Nicole DeCamp, gratitude and gatherings shine in warm harvest tones. Modern Vintage, Treasured by Rachel Rossi, blends elegant florals and timeless textures for a fresh take on tradition. Beautiful Harvest by Shannon Roberts celebrates chalk art style with bold, rustic prints made for Thanksgiving and beyond. For Winter Wonder, Woodland Wonderland by Nicole DeCamp combines festive greenery with whimsical animals. And Owl Be Home for Christmas by Jessica Flick brings cozy charm with sweet owls and snowy florals. A Winter's Day by Jackie Robinson captures serene elegance in shades of blue and white. Holiday Tidings by Canvas sparkles with metallic accents and festive motifs. And Winter Wonders by Canvas delivers classic Christmas patterns with a shimmering touch of magic. From Halloween to Christmas, autumn gatherings to winter's beauty, these collections are ready to inspire your next masterpiece. Benartex. Create, inspire, delight.